Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Polo Ralph Lauren black set. So, this set, $110, value $190. Comes with the cologne here, smaller spray here, and the deodorant here. Cool. So it comes with the regular size, smaller size for traveling, and the deodorant. All right, let's check it out. Wow. Wow. Let's get this out. Here's the new regular size. New shape since the last time I got it. Nice small travel size. And the alcohol-free deodorant. Interesting. Don't feel like opening it now. Yeah, nice kit, nice value, and yeah, cool. Excited to use this. Let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you all next time. Later.